Even a non-cricket lover like me knows about Dhoni's iconic fours in the last over. He's somebody who's come in multiple times towards the end and saved the day for India. The strategy might not work all the time, but he is definitely one of those rare breed of people where he thrives under stress and he pushes till the very last ball. And this attitude is something which is extremely helpful for cracking the CAT exam. Now, if stress is your problem, there are other videos which I've shot, and I'll put those for you here as well as in the description and the first pinned comment. But if sustained focus is your issue, maybe you're starting out strong, but somewhere around DILR or quant, your focus is flagging, maybe you're slowing down, you're missing out on easy questions, or you can't remember some of the formulae, or maybe you're even making silly mistakes, then I'm going to give you 3 solutions in this video. And these will be particularly helpful if quant is your strong suit, because you definitely want to end on that high end, take up as many questions accurately as you can in those last 40 minutes. Now, before I even get into these solutions, solution zero, I would say, is make sure that you've signed up for XAT, SNAP, and NMAT. In these exams, you can actually start off with your stronger section. So, XAT and SNAP, we don't have sectional timers. So, you can start off with quant if that is your strong section. And in NMAT, we do have sectional timers, but you can actually order the sections to your advantage. So, you can again start off with quant if that's your strong area. Now that that's out of the way, how do we make sure that we maintain our focus for those 2 hours for the CAT exam, which is definitely the most important MBA entrance test in India? First off, look at it as T20s and not as a one day. By that I mean, don't look at it as 1 2 hour exam, look at it as 3 40-minute sprints. So the moment verbal is done, you can just turn the page in your notepad, just do a mental reset. You could even just drink some water or something like that. And if this is your issue, if you feel that you're not able to let go in between sections and you're holding on to the previous section, then I would even recommend that you can get up and go get a drink of water. Most of the CAT centers are going to have this facility. And even if you're carrying your own water or it takes 30 to 40 seconds, you can do it. I wouldn't recommend doing this in quant or in verbal, because every minute matters over there. Even if you have 1 more minute, you could probably solve a verbal question or a quant question. But in DILR, say you're done with your 1 or 2 cases and you have a couple of minutes left, what are you going to do? Maximum you can punch in the TETA questions, right? So you can go drink some water and come back, turn the page, maybe write down 1 or 2 quant formulae, whatever gets you in the mindset of the next section. Second, if focus is your issue, stop taking sectionals and make sure that you are taking mocks. Try to take them at your time slot for the CAT exam and try to take a mock every day or alternate days for the next 10 odd days, right? And what you can do is you can actually alternate these mocks with longer mocks. So you could either take XAT mocks or you could take some of the older CAT papers, the CAT 2017, 18, 19 papers, which are 3-hour papers. So today, if you're taking a 2-hour mock, say at 4:30, if you're in slot 3, then tomorrow you can try taking a 3-hour test. If you're pushing yourself to focus for 3 hours, then focusing for 2 hours is definitely going to be easier for you. And last, and I feel that this is the most important, make sure that you have a strategy for the quant section. Something like the 688 is a great game plan to ensure that you are making the best of those 40 minutes. In case if you have not watched this 688 quant strategy video, I'll put that for you as well here. Make sure you watch that next and you can jump on to Mockcat and try out the strategy right away. If you find these solutions useful, do consider liking and subscribing. And if you have any other issues or any problems that you want us to help out in, put it in the comments and we will get back to you as soon as we can. All the best.